So I made quite a lot of progress on the tractor cab since the last video. I got it all ready for winter, got the snowblower mounted and the chains on. It's all ready for snow. I did want to show a couple things as far as how the cab is mounted to the tractor itself. You can see there's a 1/4 inch gap between the tractor and the tractor floor and the cab. And the way it's mounted, again, slow-mo, thanks Steve, did a really great job. This bracket is welded onto the cab frame and then bolts to the loader mount. And there's plenty of clearance on both sides for the loader. Operates just fine with the cab installed. No clearance issues at all. So that's how that gets mounted. There's one of those on either side, and then on the back, I didn't want to drill any holes into the rollover protective structure. So we've got some brackets here that just apply some clamping force to the ROPS. So this piece is threaded. Just tighten that bolt down and apply some clamping pressure. There's one on that side. This side uses a nut and a bolt, but same. And then up here, I actually lost the piece that clamps on the front here. This piece is threaded, so I just need to get a rectangular piece with a hole in it to apply some clamping pressure there too. So that's how it mounts to the cab, or to the tractor itself. So let's see, you got the window openings cut out with a plasma cutter, and then got some window material installed. So on the front, I knew I'd be running a wiper, and that polycarbonate scratches somewhat easily, so I had a auto glass place install some automotive grade glass. And then right here in the front, this is 1/4 inch Lexan or polycarbonate material. There's a separate piece on either side of the lower bonnet cover, and then this is one piece that goes all the way across. There is one hitch, and it's that I can't open the hood with this polycarbonate piece installed. So my plan is I'm going to just flip these bolts around, run them from the inside, and get some like knurled knobs that I could just take off easily and pull this piece off when I need to open the hood. I actually don't open it very often. I'm sure according to the user manual I should probably open it a little more frequently. So that's the front. And then on the sides, I use a 1/4 inch polycarbonate material, which is pretty widely available post-pandemic. A lot of those were used as like sneeze guards. So I got these for free actually, and cut them out myself. I left a 5/16 inch gap between the material and the window openings, and had the same glass shop install those with this locking gasket. Turned out really nice. Lots of visibility. And then on the rear, I know Steve did a lot of work making that piece to fit behind the seat. I did try to put an 1/8 inch piece and heat it up and mold it to that upper piece, and just couldn't get it to work out. So I just ended up getting a flat piece and zip tied it onto the ROPS. And I did have to make some cutouts here for the rear remote hydraulics. I've got some plans to address that gap to cut down on the draft. And then I put some gasket material here just against the ROPS to keep the draft and some of the moisture out too when I'm blowing snow. So as far as visibility goes, it's really pretty good from all sides. Shouldn't have any issues when I'm backing this thing up. With those lower pieces, I can see the tires. Make sure that I'm clear and everything. I still have a few things I need to touch up. I'll install a couple more accessories. I'll probably address those in another video. And then there's a giant hole underneath this seat where some drafts get in, so I'll be doing something to address that, as well as the gap here between the door and the fenders. But it turned out really nice so far. I'm really pleased with it.